Hey Emma, you ready to film our music video?
Yeah, but we did that song last year.
Yeah, but we didn't record anything new this year.
Good point. Yeah, let's do it. Cut!
Hi guys!
Hello!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
So we put out a cover of Last Christmas last year and we shot a music video and that's over on Kit's channel. And we decided that we wanted to do it again this year. We just didn't have time to record a new song, so we made a new version of the video and we have some exciting news.
We do have some exciting news.
So Kit and I are starting a joint YouTube channel and we're gonna have the links in the description. So if you guys are able to go over and subscribe, that would mean so much to us. We're having videos launch in January, but we wanted to share the good news.
Yeah! So we're excited to see you guys over on that channel next year.
We'll be doing a lot of like challenge videos, sister videos, talking more about our careers, and we really want to bring you guys along, and we're so excited for this next little chapter.
Yeah! Yay!
Little shimmy. Thank you guys so much for watching, all of your love and support. Hope you guys have an amazing holiday and a very, very happy new year.